Okay, Maria, I would like you to use the car parked in front of you, parked up side by side, and then do the parallel parking, reverse back again or whatever, please. So whenever you're ready, please. Good. So you're lowering your left mirror. So what's your first reference?
Wing mirrors.
When the wing mirror in the middle of the car, yeah? Then
Yeah.
what would you do? One steering to the left. Not full lock, just one steering, yeah? That's your one, isn't it, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So do you know your second reference now?
No.
Okay, and what do you do with the steering? How many?
2 to the
Okay,
right.
that's your one. And two, not full lock, just two, isn't it, yeah? Okay. Once you become with the parallel with the curb and the door, so when you become parallel, so do you think is it parallel? You want to go a bit more back? Is it parallel now?
Yeah.
That's it. And what would you do?
Make the tires straight.
That's it. And
And
then
then reverse.
yeah, reverse back enough so you can have a good enough room to go around the car park as well, isn't it? Yeah. Good. Well done. What is the plan B if you feel the car is slightly away from the curb? So what the plan B is? Quarter to the
Yeah.
left and then quarter to the right to make it straight. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Happy with this?
Yeah.